everyone, it's Emily Fox. Today's video is going to be my Sephora Vib haul. I wanted to post it now because it is still going on, and you might notice what is happening. I mentioned in past video I am moving. I'm currently moved / I still have so much unpacking to do. Hence, just having partially the amount of stuff that I bought during the sale. A few things basically the sale happened as I was moving. Some of the stuff ended up being packed and I can't find them. I can't find anything right now. So I just wanted to share the products I do have with me right now. And yeah, my background is still in the making. And I just wanted to talk to you guys. It's been way too long for me. I haven't filmed in 2 weeks, so we're doing this. I want to know, by the way, in the comment section, what you got during the sales, because I was very reasonable this year because, again, I just moved, so couldn't afford to buy a ton of things. But something I needed to absolutely repurchase because it is a holy grail product, and I always get a million questions about my eyeliner, which I'm not wearing right now, but I'm pretty much always wearing eyeliner. And my newest favorite / it's been over a year now is this version from the STILA eyeliner, but it's not the regular one, it's the micro tip one, which I at first was kind of skeptical when I tried it the first time because it is absolutely tiny. It's legit a fifth of the size of the other one. Hopefully you can kind of tell. It is tiny, 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 tiny. But that's why it's so amazing. If you have mono lids, if you don't have a lot of lid space. Personally, I don't have a lot of space, especially in the inner corners, so I feel like very often I will just do the eyeliner and then it hides any, eyelid space I had there because I don't have a lot. Or even I feel like sometimes it can be hard to get it very pointy, or just, again, generally speaking, not make it thick enough that you can't see my lid space anymore, but not with this. And because it is the same formula as their regular waterproof stay all day eyeliner, it will not budge, which once again, if you put it in the inner corner, or sometimes people on this side, you tend to have watery eyes or something, it will make it move. But this really stays, it doesn't budge, but it's still easy to remove at night, which is important to me. I don't have to rub. It's magical. I have been enjoying this so much. At first, what I would do, it would be like tracing it and then filling it in with something else, just because I was like, oh, it takes so long to fill it in. I don't do that anymore, so I guess I just kind of got over it. But yes, there is a little bit of a learning curve because it is tiny, but now I can't live without it. So this is absolutely worth the money, but again, during the sale, it is the perfect time to pick it up or even gift it to someone during the holidays. I just got one for my friend because, again, she has smaller eyes and doesn't have a lot of space, and she will love this. So yeah, it makes my life super, super easy. Can't recommend this enough. Again, during the sale, I was like, I need a backup because the other one is still going strong. But from experience, after about a year, it starts being, kind of drier. But the first time I actually ever bought a STILA eyeliner, I used it every single day and it lasted me 8 months. So totally worth it. I have been raving about Fenty Beauty brand in general for a while now. I have been raving, especially with the face moisturizer. I bought countless bottles. But I do have a backup of that, so I don't need to buy one. But they just came out with this toner, which I am obsessed with toners. So this is their Ultra Repair Wild Oat Hydrating Toner. And if it's anywhere as good as the other products that I've tried by them, I know we'll love this. But basically, it is a very lightweight consistency and it's supposed to moisturize. So basically, you're using cleanser, then you use toner and moisturizer. Obviously, there can be more steps if you want to. I need to do a current nighttime routine, but I will start integrating this in my routine because Oat is known for being very calming. They have a mask with that ingredient in there, and I loved it, especially when my skin was drier or when your cheeks are very irritated. It was really great. So I'm hoping that this is going to work just as well for me. But generally speaking, they tend to have very safe ingredients for sensitive skin, and it's supposed to be hydrating, soothing, and straightening. I will keep you updated once again because obviously skincare you have to test for a while, but I love the brand, so I trust them. Something I decided on a last minute kick to pick up because the minis, they always get you. I need to do a new video on minis because I love them, and I feel like very often it's worth splurging on the mini instead of full size because you get to test it and see if it's actually worth it, / how often do you finish a blush or a highlighter, so it can be totally worth it skipping the full size. But Fenty Beauty, I love their Stunna lip paint, and this one is a new color, and this is the color Underdawg. And it's a really dark burgundy shade, which actually, let me open this because I might as well. And I feel like a lip product can be nice to get a mini because, again, I own way too many lipsticks, so why get the full size if I can get the mini and I still get to, you know, experience it and everything. But I love the other shades that I have. Actually, you know what? The red one, I feel like I will run out eventually of it. Let me go and apply this because it looks stunning. Stunna lip paint. If I can open it. Oh, I'm just curious if it's going to be the same applicator. I'm assuming it will be. Yeah, it is. So let me just apply it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's so pigmented. Okay, I'll go put it on. I'll come back. Okay, terrible application, but let's just look at this color. I feel like it would look better if my shirt was like black to kind of match the hat, but this is a very, very dark burgundy shade with some brown and a tiny bit of berry in there too. I feel like you can see it better on my hand, but I love these. The formula is very, very comfortable. It is very long wearing. There is some transfer. I feel like it never fully dries matte. It doesn't claim to. I did a video where I was comparing it to the Sephora Cream Lip Stain, and it lasted, obviously not this color, the red one, and it lasted all day really, really nicely. So yes, I do like these. I just wanted to test this color, and I'm very happy that it came with a mini because obviously for Christmas it's a nice gift, but I get to experience more shade for more affordable. And yeah, I really like this color. I will have to do a full look with it. I feel like with like dark black eyeliner, dark everything, it would look amazing. So yes, I had to pick that up. I decided to pick up a few things by Milk because I've only tried one thing by them. I think it was the lipstick, I can't remember the color, Skills. I love that shade, honestly, one of my favorite lipsticks. And I wanted to test out more products by them. And I did pick up the stick foundation and their concealer, but those are the things that I mentioned that I packed, and now I have no idea where they are. I will find them and include them in an upcoming, you know, full face of first impression type of video because I want to test them still. But one thing I did pick up later on was their highlighter because I kept seeing swatches on their website and I could not deal. I just needed to get it, which I can't open because there's so much tape on that thing. I decided to pick up their highlighter, and this is the Flex highlighter in the color Lit, which I'm sensing some fellow kid vibes here, but it's okay. This is the color. It is amazing. I feel like it might be a bit dark now that I'm looking at it. I feel like I've been becoming lighter and lighter because there is no sun. There was literally snow the other day. Actually, there's snow on the grass right now and it's snowing a little bit. What is going on? We're in November. What is going on? Yeah, but let me swatch this. I am super afraid. It looks like a very nice light. Okay, it's not too dark. I was afraid. You could tell, right? It's a very, very light rose gold color, which I feel like I can never find that. Obviously, you'll find, you know, champagnes. Golds are all over the place, but sometimes they tend to be too yellow for me. But rose gold tend to be super dark, or they're going to be very, very pink. But not this one. I am dying. Okay, I think I will do the foundation, concealer, and the highlighter in my next testing a bunch of new makeup, if I can find them. And I will keep you updated. I'll wear them, you know, for a few times before giving a full review. But that color, the color Lit, don't be afraid of it. It looks amazing. The swatches on their website looked amazing too, so obviously I had to get it. It comes with a mirror. You get a ton of product. It didn't break, which so many times in a row I've been getting highlighters and they're like broken when they arrive because shipping. Highlighters are just too fragile, but yes, this is amazing. I'm hoping the lighting will be okay because obviously this isn't my normal setup. So those are just a few things that I picked up during the sale. Like I said, I was fairly reasonable, I think. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section if you have tested any of those products, what you picked up during the sale, because I wanna know. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I will be putting on the screen more videos that I've done that I recommend you check out. And I shall see you in my next one. Bye.